Welcome to Daily Quiz Time YouTube channel.
In this video we are going to guess 50 quiz questions about animals.
10 points will be given for each correct answer. Comment below correct answer and get points. Let's go.
Which animal has a long trunk? The answer is elephant. What is the king of the jungle? It's a lion. The tallest land animal is the surely giraffe. Black and white stripes belong to the of course zebra. The largest mammal on earth is the answer is blue whale. An animal that stores fat in humps is the it's a camel. Which animal can change its color? Of course chameleon. The slowest mammal is the surely sloth. Which animal carries babies in a pouch? Yes, it's kangaroo. This bird can't fly but swims well. Answer is penguin. Australia's symbolic animal is the yes, it's koala. Which big cat has a mane? Of course lion. The fastest land animal is the certainly cheetah. An animal with an extremely long neck. Yes, it's giraffe. This sea predator has sharp teeth. Surely shark. Which big cat has stripes? Yes, it's tiger. An animal with a horn on its nose. Answer is rhino. This small animal digs tunnels. Of course mole. Which animal has large antlers? Yes, it's moose. And a bird that hunts at night. Answer is owl. Yes, the U.S. national symbol is the bald eagle. This sea animal has long tusks. Certainly walrus. The bear native to China is the of course panda. A small animal with spines. Yes, it's hedgehog. This sea creature can regrow limbs. The answer is starfish. Which is the largest living bird? The answer is ostrich. Which primate has no tail? Surely ape. Which animal has a very loud roar? Certainly lion. Which marsupial is known for playing dead? Of course, a possum. Which fish has a long, sword-like snout? The answer is swordfish. Which black and white animal lives in cold regions? Surely penguin. Which sea creature has large pincers? Certainly crab. Which animal sprays a foul-smelling liquid for defense? Of course, skunk. Which type of deer has the largest antlers? The answer is moose. Which sea turtle is named for its greenish-colored fat? Surely green sea turtle. Which bird is famous for mimicking human speech? Certainly parrot. Which grazing animal is a male sheep with curved horns? Of course, ram. Which large cat is the strongest bite for bite and lives in the Americas? The answer is jaguar. Which animal glides between trees using skin flaps? Surely flying squirrel. Which marine mammal is known for its long, complex songs? Certainly whale. Which animal rolls into an armored ball for defense? Of course, armadillo. Which bird uses its wings to fly underwater but cannot fly in the air? The answer is penguin. Which animal has a very long, sticky tongue for eating ants? Surely anteater. Which is a large, wild, grazing animal of North America? Certainly bison. Which insect is farmed for the silk it produces? Of course, silkworm. Which primate has a bright red and blue face? The answer is mandrill. Which fish is known to change from male to female? Surely clownfish. Which large, flightless bird is from Australia? Certainly emu. Which animal carries its protective shell on its back? Of course, snail. Which wild canine is known for hunting in packs? The answer is wolf.
Thanks for watching the Journey Docent, and here, please subscribe, like, share, and follow my channel for more videos.